everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing video, and then we're going to go straight into revealing my cook set. Alright, so here we go. This is the MSR PocketRocket 2. Alright, now I've done some research on it, and according to all of the experts and recreational backpackers, this comes very highly recommended. Okay, now I was gonna get the jet boil, which is only about $20 more than this, but the jet boil uses its own proprietary pots and pans and what have you not, and I don't like that. I like to use my own budget-oriented cookware. Alright, now this comes with a little carry case, pretty dainty. Okay, it's got the MSR logo. It comes attached with your typical warning label. Alright, come in here. This comes with the instructional manual. What doesn't? Right? Okay. That's what you get. Pretty nice packaging. Alright. Let's get this plier out here and see if we can cut this thing loose from its package. Get it in there. It's hard to get it. It's so tight. It's hard to get it to go into the wire cutter. Oh well, we'll go for the scissors then. Didn't want to make the scissors too dull, but that cut it pretty easy. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, gotta cut this label off. Yay! Another victory for the next tool, multi-tool. Alright, good job. Now, this is what it looks like. Folded up. Okay. It's even fold up even more. It's a spring loader, I guess. But if you just hold it, it all fits in this tiny little case. Bam. Oop. Alright, this in conjunction with this canister that MSR makes, special fuel combination formula, or whatever you want to call it. Now this is supposed to boil 1 liter of water in a little bit over 3.5 minutes. Alright, I would say that's pretty impressive for a little thing like this. Now let's fold this out and we'll see what it looks like. Pretty easy to fold out. Very entry level origami thing. Alright. Alright. We're gonna I don't want to open the canister and put it on there right now because I just want to keep it fresh, and for whenever I have to use it, that's when I'll open it. But if you want a demonstration of it actually turning on and everything and boiling water, you can see other videos that will do that. This is just a unboxing video and a demonstration or unveiling of my emergency cook set. Alright, now let's fold this back up. There you go. Put it in the box. Now, this is a cook set. And this is how it's going to be carried, okay? Now, I don't have food in here, but there is room in here for food. Starting over here in the net compartment, there would be pouches of food here, inside here, whether it be MREs or dehydrated food, or pouches of tuna and ramen or whatever right here. Okay, now there's 2 pots or 2 pans, baking pans, that I could use as dishes or frying pans. That goes right in here. All right, and as you saw, I put the 2 canister and stove in this compartment here. Over here, I have your Stanley cookware with a lid, a ventilated lid, 2 plastic cups, and a pretty decent sized little thing here to boil water. I have an Elgin container that would carry the water, and a cup, another steel cup if I needed to just boil a second thing of water in conjunction with this. It also fits like this, but I keep it here to help protect the Elgin bottle. Alright, now we're gonna go over here and open this up. Again, I'm going to set it right on the floor. Alright, so I'm going to set it right here on the floor instead of putting it on the fuel canister. I'm going to see if it actually fits other pots. Alright, that fits. Not a lot of playroom, but if you set it on top on a solid surface, it will hold. Okay. Also, this cup, which has a wider base, also holds. Alright, and this pan, I could put food on here, bacon strips, eggs, whatever, with some grease in it. Well, you don't really need grease if you're frying bacon strips, but perfect. Pretty Pretty solid. It'll slide around on you a little bit, but you know, if you're just a little careful, it'll work. And I'll be right back. Here is, okay, a frying pan, a kitchen frying pan. All right. Let's see if that'll hold a kitchen frying pan. Yes, it will. Okay. Bam. Cook a good 10-inch size frying pan will fit on there and cook your food pretty good, I would imagine. All right. So this bag here that contains my cookware, there's a side pocket here that I will put the utensils in, a paring knife, fork, spoons, whatever, right here, okay, and a few little condiments that I could fit in there also, all right, and a side pocket here, a net pocket here on the side here that I could put other stuff in, all right. So this whole bag I can carry separately on a day hike or something, okay? But this whole bag will fit inside of my duffel bag, which also contains another backpack full of my survival gear, okay? So this is basically my portable kitchen, all right? And the backpack that's sitting under this backpack inside the duffel bag is full of my survival gear, okay? Also another 6-quart pot inside that backpack that I could use to boil a lot of water or make a pretty decent size stew. Put a whole rabbit in that pot and just have a feast for a couple of days, you know. But there you have it. There you have it. And that is my make sure I got this folded up right. Also, I could also fit on the side pocket here or inside this container a small lighter, which I think I will do. Put a little big lighter in here so that I'll always have something to light this stove with. So, yeah. But there you have it. That is my little strategy of there you go. Perfect. Oh my gosh. There you go. You gotta play around with it a little bit, fold it in right. Okay, there you go. It's perfect now. Just perfect. And voila. There you have it. Okay. Boom. Goes in there. Put everything back. Now, this bag is actually a camera bag, but nobody carries a camera bag this big anymore because all of your movie cameras and digital cameras are pretty small now. You know, back in the day, you had a big camera bag like this to carry all your camcorders, your still cameras, and all that. But now everything is tiny, so I didn't really need a camera bag this big. Now found another use for it, which was to carry all my kitchen stuff. And as I said, this backpack here be perfect for just a day hike. Push come to shove, with a very light tarp, make a perfect day and a half, maybe a day and a half backpack. Who knows? Anyway. Alright. So thanks for watching.